have a chat to Morne Morkal, who's spearheading this World 11 attack in terms of the pace. Morne, first of all, how are you enjoying that?
I'm enjoying it. It's a new challenge for me, but I think on these sort of conditions, as soon as the ball gets a little bit softer and older, our guys coming in, bowling first and second change, that brings them into the game. But so far, it's been great. Enjoying that sort of role, taking the new ball up front and making the most of the power play.
Tell me what the game plans have been in turning up here and how they've evolved from game 1 to 2 and what you might do today in game 3.
I think the most important thing is, obviously with the World 11, we've had 2 practices before the start of the tournament, just to keep it as simple as possible and do the basics, as best as possible. Not to look too much into the things and just play on instinct. And I think the first game we were close. You could see we were a team that was a little bit rusty, but it came together in the second game. And tonight, I think we've got a couple of surprises for tonight in the lineup, which I don't want to give away too much, but I think hopefully tonight we can end up on a high note.
Speaking about yourself and your performances, good performances, both of them, but quite bigger performance to go for just 20. How do you kind of follow that up, or do you forget it?
I'll definitely take it. A couple of weeks ago I was bowling in the indoor centre there in Cape Town, and to run up here now, televisions, lights, crowds, bowling in the power play, so this is quite interesting, but happy with the way it's gone so far. For me, tonight, like I said, it's a big game. It's a final for us, and we want to win this game. So it's now, I think, it's a little bit more pressure on the home side with to win this game. But for us, the important thing tonight is just to go out and give it our best.
Giving it your best. One last question: do you feel there's a particular area that you must be on top of tonight if you are to win?
I think obviously, you want to make most of the new harder ball on this sort of surface, and then try and come up with a game plan with their spin. I think their spinners have been in